Alright, Assembly Dojo, tap 21, mid-air tap. Can a seemingly invisible object be tapped?
Okay. Okay.
As you put up your AI construction skills, there is something you absolutely must understand. The only portraits of an object that exists are those that are actually drawn. So if you're making the object that has any empty space, AI for detect the taps will not trigger if an area where nothing is tapped. The same goes for contact. If two empty objects overlap, for example, the contact will not be registered. But sometimes you want to trigger an action by tapping an empty object. In that case, create an object that perfectly matches the background. If it's a white background, make a white object. If it's a blue sky background, make a blue object. The player won't be able to tell that there's an object there.